Thanks, Jim, and good afternoon, everybody. Well, there are three big initiatives that we've been working on lately that we're really proud of that are going to be rolling out very soon. The first one is Red Hat Enterprise Virtualization 3.0. That is, we're expecting that to launch next month, and beyond the typical, it could scale bigger than before, and it's a fraction of the price of the proprietary competition. One of the things that's really unique in it is that it includes a technology called SVIRT for secure virtualization that uses SE Linux, which we've worked with the NSA to make mainstream. We're now putting that as part of a core part of our platform to make sure that cloud computing is secure. The second component that we have is we're working on an initiative called CloudForms, which allows us to have very much the same way that Jeff was talking about having, the reality is that you're going to have multiple hypervisors in your environment, multiple cloud providers, and being able to have a single view of all of your cloud infrastructure, whether you retain it or somebody else is managing it for you, having that view is very important, and that's what we're doing with CloudForms. The third component that we're really excited about is a recent acquisition that we've made. We've bought a company called Gluster, and they have a product called Gluster FS. And what's really interesting about that is it's software only. So you could have your file system reside on, say, HP storage, or it can reside on Amazon-based storage, and you could have a single view of a file system no matter whether it's in your data center or in a publicly hosted data center. And what's really interesting about that is if you look at cloud companies that are using this technology right now, one example is Pandora. And I'm sure we've all used Pandora to do the music streaming and all that. That is running on top of Gluster. So they have thousands of users streaming terabytes of data a day. And imagine what we would be able to do for the warfighter if we're able to, instead of streaming music to the soldier, what if we could stream mission information to them?
That's right.